What's up, everyone? It's Lily. Today, I'm staying at the Chelsea Hotel in Toronto, and I'll show you what the music scene is all about. Time to go swimming. We'll be here on our own.
What are you doing? Why don't you get in the pool? Yeah? It does look nice and sunny where you are. Look at those sexy toes, guys. Oh, jeez. Here at the top floor of the Chelsea Hotel. I like that this hotel's downtown core. They got 2 pools. And the view up here is great. All the sun gets through nice. There you got the CN Tower. Repping my city. I love my city. You know what I mean? We out here. I'm here from the on this patio. I didn't realize there's a door out here. It says no smoking. Ooh, you can. Oh, this is so cool. I gotta get Lily over here. My baby told me she wants the #1 jersey. I had to take the 6.
6 is for 6 dots.
Yeah, but I'm the #1. I'm the creator of that. And your hair so long it covers it. There you go. What's that say? 6 dots. I can't believe you didn't know there's a balcony, babe. Here we are worried about the reflection on the glass. We got a whole nice balcony here. Right? Who's that girl?
We're going to the Cymatics Producer Meetup today, so those producers have fire beats, you know I gotta put them on my team. It's 6 dot, you know what it is. This is my home.
You guys, look at his chain. I want it.
She's gonna take it from me. I can feel it.
It's a good chain.
Yeah, I know, because time don't sleep, baby.
Time don't sleep.
Money don't sleep.
I'm taking your chain.
How do you think we afford these hotels, baby? I gotta grind. Regular mistakes as usual. My Lily's very experienced, but she didn't think we might need ID tonight. So if she doesn't get in, she's gonna have to go back and get the ID. Well, I get in because ID.
He never told me to bring ID.
Lily, how many shows you been to? You should just bring it just in case, because everyone's experienced that. Get to the door and you can't get in. It's annoying, and that's why you make sure you have ID. But Lily's like a ghost out here, and she's a celebrity. I'm pretty sure. Let's see if we can just get her in, showing them who she is. I'll be like, are you really gonna offend this celebrity?
I'm just used to sneaking in.
That's true. We can look for a back door. It depends how tight security is.
Yeah, I'm just used to that, babe.
For a Monday, it shouldn't be that bad.
I've snuck in enough times.
Yeah. You really have, haven't you?
Oh wow, looks like there's a lineup at the event.
The 6 dot, hey, where's the fire beats at? That's what's up. I hate police if they roam blocks, and I'm not the type to sell stone rocks, but you'll still get a cold shot.
You guys have signed up on the showcase to play your song tonight. I will start calling out the names pretty soon here. I'm going to go in order of the queue, all right? When I call your name, that is going to be when you come give your song to Darian right here on my left-hand side, okay? You're going to airdrop it email it, or give me USB.
That's it, y'all. God loves you. Have a good night. Love y'all.
Tell something I don't know, swear I've heard it all before. Tell me something I can't control. Correction, slaps in my
You beg to stay. There's no one drives you crazy. I know what you to my love.
You gotta put in that work, you gotta meet people, you gotta network. Tell them. It's a community. You know what I'm saying? We're all here to support each other, we're all here to make
It's good that we're people chilling in the streets. Cars flying. We're gonna make it out. Canadians don't.
Triple X on the right right now. Triple X on the right right now.
Today, I'm on set of a music video, and this is the behind the scenes.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yo, another year down. I'm just thankful that
As long as the underwear doesn't show.
Yeah, then we'll cut that part. Listen, because we have so much of extras, for us it's no problem. We cut.
But
Like,
this shot looks decent?
yeah, yeah.
Do higher is better than
Higher?
high.
But then I won't get. Okay, yeah, I can do a dolly top shot.
Try to do higher.
$1, but that's gonna get your underwear more, you know?
No, well.
$1 top shot.
Come on, open it. So we're just walking in. This is where we're gonna have the music video.
That's the work, guys. Do you have anybody here?
You didn't even need a drone. I like to have the ladder here too if you needed it.
I could have got my drone, but you know what? I gotta go one of my pop's birthday, man. I got so much shit to do in Mississauga. But I'll be alright.
This is my outfit.
Do you have the audio file, bro? If you don't mind.
Yeah, what's your...
Yeah, it's Aldo. Aldo?
Aldo, is that right?
No, it's Alden. ALDON.
Oh, there it is. I was looking for both.
You could do like videos here, photo shoots. Looks pretty cool.
I'm just going to test the audio. Start with the audio first. Your eyes, yeah, that's fine. I want to see eyes. You're fine.
I'm just saying, like, I don't have to lip sync it all the time. We can just
No, yeah. But if you want to, you still could.
Survive, but you still gonna leave with a nightmare. You won't be easily forgetting. So when it comes to making options, should be selected. Our next from will bring you to a skeleton. As I question who's the next I'm asking. Getting this. Cause we both know I ain't doing that good mentally. This a message for the enemies.
Well, you can like lay across the couch behind me, just kind of in your own world, you know? Exactly, stuff like that. You can feet to come back a bit more. So then it's balanced, your feet, you can just be swinging them. And then maybe get the heart too, a little skewed. Things like that.
See my light here?
You look awkward.
Well, you're gonna do that a bit, then you can like maybe sit behind me, massage me, like just. I'm the main star, but you're just doing your own thing behind me. You know what I mean? Don't worry, like if there's spots out there, I'm not gonna
Quick shot. Practice.
So where do I look over there?
No, you guys can look at each other and stuff, right? Like, I'm not even there.
We just look anywhere, yeah. The camera, it doesn't matter where we're looking at.
Okay, I'm almost done here. Here is.
But I don't think we should do this for too long. Like, this
Yeah,
should
not
be
the
like
whole,
a,
not
like
the
a,
whole shot. That's why we need to bring.
She's in the dark, so. Oh.
I need a lot of light. I like, yeah, I like a lot of light.
That can be bright too.
Because I want to use that fill as well, like such a.
Oh, true. I see what you mean.
Or should I be a shadow?
No, no. Why?
Yeah, why would you want to be a shadow?
No, just for this scene.
Okay. I think like that.
My shoulders showing or something?
Yeah, show some skin there. Yeah. Because it's all white. He's wearing white. You're wearing white. There's no separation, right?
Oh my gosh.
All right, that looks good. And we are. What about this guy? This is my spot. Camera A should be rolling in 5, 4, 3, 2, action.
So when it comes to making options,
The lip sync, you know, the
Can I
video.
have a look at it? Yeah.
Sure. It looks good though, right? It's so cool we got it back to it. Are you filming still? She wants me to film when I open it. Do you want to have some of the shots like beside me? While I was doing chunking it, you can drink it, whatever. You can grab it if you want to mix all the
yo, another year down.
I don't record it.
Must have forgotten to put it on the ground. When it comes to making options, you need to let it. Cause I'm a veteran. You survive, but you still.
So what, me just with her now, like cool looking?
Yeah. I have another shot. You walk here, you're walking with the wall. No, back shot. The back of the camera, get it back. Right, so she's behind you, and then you turn this side, and she turns this side.
Oh yeah, that would be cool.
We're at the TO Lounge today. Your performance was great tonight.
Thank you so much. I like you because you have a camera and you've been inside.
Oh yeah, for sure.
That's right, that's what's up.
Thank you for inviting us.
Don't worry. Julie and I got some stuff we're gonna come out with this summer. Long overdue, but you know, time. It's all about the process, right?
So if you guys like what we've done already, we got many more artists to come. Actually, we got 2 more artists to come.
We had the best time.
It was lit. Too bad you guys weren't there. Maybe another time. Next time.